how many numbers from 1 to 100 are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5? Okay, so how do we solve this question? Let us go step by step. The first step is to understand how many numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 5 individually. Okay, so to know that, what we do, we just divide this total 100 by 2. So to check how many times 100 is divisible by 2, it is divisible 50 times. Same way 100 by 3 is divisible 33 times fully. 100 by 5 is 20 times. So this is one step, first step. Okay. Second step is, there could be many times that it is divisible by both 2 and 3 or 3 and 5 or 2 and 5. It is possible. So that is called as double counting. Can be divisible by 2 and 3, that is LCM is 6. So it is divisible by 6. How many times? 16 times. If we take 3 and 5, the LCM is 15. We have to check how many times it is divisible by 15. It is 6. Same way 2 and 5, that is LCM is 10, is divisible 10. So this had to be subtracted. This should be subtracted, right? So also there is a possibility the numbers can be divisible by all three numbers. So the LCM is 30, 100 by 30 is 3. So it is divisible by all three numbers. This should be added. Okay. So finally, first we will add these things. So 50 plus 33 and 20. This is 103. This one, this group will be subtracted because the numbers are getting duplicated here. That's why this group will be subtracted, and ultimately this group will be added. Total, the numbers divisible by 2, 3, 5 are 74. Okay, but the question is about how many numbers are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. Numbers not divisible. So we will remove this 100 minus 24. So 100 minus 74 is 26 is the right answer. Be careful here. This first part we have to add. The second part, that is divisible by two numbers, this has to be subtracted. And the last part, divisible by all three, should be added. Why this has to be added? Why not subtracted? Because, for example, when we take LCM 30, we can get multiples of 30, that is 30, 60, 90. Okay. So if you observe 2 and 3, the LCM is 6. 30 is divisible by 6. So that count is already come here. Okay. 3 and 5 is 15. Again 15 and 60. Count has already come. 2 and 5 is 10. The count has already come. So all these things are already counted here. That's why this is getting subtracted. When we subtract, all these values will go off. That's why finally we are just adding these three values. Okay. The numbers divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Thank you.